with a sharp knife. I should really get a sharpening stone. This is what I got, it's what I'm working with. All right, I'm just gonna wipe that down. All right, now I'm gonna go in and get my beautiful cherry or grape tomatoes. Some are a little sun-dried, sitting on my counter. That's okay, it'll work. I'm gonna get in here, I love these brown little grape tomatoes. They're so flavorful. I'm just gonna chop this up, and this is gonna be my version. You'll see this in restaurants traditionally more of a dice rather than these little semi-crescents. I kind of like it a little more hearty because sometimes this is just what I want to eat. It's just a salad. Get these tomatoes in. I got some yellow and got some brown and some red, like little mini Romas. If you prefer these to be diced, go right ahead, dice them. If you want it more salt, you know, a more of a petite salad. Some beautiful yellow. Colors of the rainbow, which is what you're supposed to eat on a daily basis. Colors of the rainbow. Now some of these are bigger. You can definitely cut them thinner if you like. I like it rustic. Sweet, sour, creamy, crunchy. That's what you want. You want to hit all those notes. Party in your mouth, right, Crystal?
Yes.
I think that's good. Good amount of tomatoes for our salad because I'm going to put cucumbers in there too and some purple onion and tomato parsley. So I'm going to get in here. I rinse my parsley nice. All right, I'm going to go in here and chop up the parsley just like I did for the stew. You want it nice and minced. You know, if you want large leaves of this too, it doesn't hurt. It's also pretty. It's also an aesthetic. About a cup and a half of sliced tomatoes, about a half a cup of parsley. Perfect. All right, now I'm gonna go in. I have a little wedge of purple onion in my fridge, and that's all I really need. I'm just gonna slice this like so. I'm gonna come in here and I'm just gonna do a little dice, just like so. Now the root of this onion was already cut off. I was probably using it for something else. So I've gotta be really careful not to get my fingers. Got a nice little small dice here, almost like a mince. Have a chop, mince it up. So we don't have big bites of onion under our tongue. It's nice and settled. Put that in there too. All right. Wipe my hands down. All right, I'm gonna cut up my cucumber. Now I'm gonna do a different texture here. I'm gonna cut my cucumber into dices as well, just like so. Move that over to the side. Cut into 3 little strips. Boop, 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 boop. And I think that's good, about 2 cucumbers right there. That is perfect. Put that in there. All right. Clean off my workstation here. All right, I'm gonna take my other half of that lemon that I was using, and pour that right over it, just like that. Put in a little bit of olive oil, 3 tablespoons, just like that. A little bit of pepper, half a teaspoon, not even. About a teaspoon and a half of salt, I'm gonna get a beautiful spoon to give it a nice toss. Give this a nice toss. Just use my very clean hands. Yep, and there's that 15-minute signal. Give this a beautiful toss. Get it from the bottom up so everything marries beautifully together. How gorgeous is that? Nice and tossed. Beautiful Israeli salad or Shirazi salad. Oh my God. So fresh, so vibrant, perfect seasoning. Just a hint of salt and pepper. You really taste the parsley and the tomato and the cucumbers. It's so fresh. Very mild onion, which is what you want. Unless you really like onion, give it more. But there you go. This is a great accompaniment to our wonderful Persian feast. I'm gonna put this on the table, make this nice and presentable. I'm gonna get to my rice now. This is how you make things look pretty. And you serve them up. Give a little sprig of parsley right on top. All right, just like that.